Hello and welcome to another episode of Walks and Wonders. Today I'm back at Danecroft Cottage. You may have seen some previous videos. We're doing a series called Danecroft Diaries. I'm trying to film things that happen throughout the year. So lots happened since I was last down here. We've had Storm Ciara and Storm Dennis. I've had a couple of trees down, I think. The snowdrops are out today. Steve and another neighbour, David, are going to be hanging bird boxes, but these are mostly not like the little bird boxes I've hung up in my garden. There's a couple of owl boxes going up, so I'll be interested to see that for myself. And then I think there is a little smaller bird box as well. And also, just wandering down with this trail camera that I sometimes forget I've got, and I'm just going to ask Steve and Judith where they think we should set this up on their land, and hopefully, who knows, we'll see if we catch some wildlife. So spring is in the air. So the snowdrops finally broke through at Danecroft, signalling the beginning of spring. There were so many that Steve and Judith thought they would have a snowdrop drop-in and invite the general public to come and wander around the grounds and see all the snowdrops, and even a few crocuses coming up. Unfortunately, Storm Ciara and Storm Dennis put paid to that, and the event was cancelled.
Storm Ciara and the drive is completely blocked. Came down yesterday, and Steve's just checking out how we're going to deal with it, but it's probably going to be later because it's still blowing a gale.
Thank you. What are you doing? Zooming in on the cup of tea?
Yes, it's essential.
Thank you.
Cheers, and really well done.
Cheers.
Just got to clear up a bit, and we're free.
Oh yeah, when you get around the far side of the wood. Well, this is the bird boxes. This is bird box. This is a barn owl. A barn owl box.
Right, okay.
Right, it's quite deep because the idea is the. What sort of birds do they have, David? How many do they have? The chicks?
I reckon I'm up to 6.
6.
Usually 3 or 4, but
Yeah.
if there's it's all food supply, if there's plenty of voles and things, they'll hatch off normal.
Right,
And
yeah.
is this a tried and tested design sort of thing? Or?
It is.
It's
It is.
it's a hybrid of 1 or 2 other designs, so they're all very similar, as long as they got the basic
Yeah.
components.
Yeah, I got the design off the owl trust, whatever it's called. Yeah, but the thing is, it had a flat roof, which I didn't like.
Oh right. Okay.
Right, so I made this with bolts on it to make it look a bit more like a chalet.
Yeah. Which obviously owls are looking for.
Exactly.
It's for sort of cleaning and.
And this is just a little exercise thing that
Ah right.
comes
Okay.
off, but that's with the screws on. Then that jobby there
That's for sort of
is for
cleaning.
genuinely cleaning. If you want to ring the owlets, then you can.
Oh.
So that's the theory. So that is the barn owl box.
Yeah. Open front of those boxes, which we're hoping we're going to attract a spotted flycatcher.
Okay.
Last year there were spotted flycatchers about this area. Keith had in his garden, and we had in our garden. And the spotted flycatcher looks a nice open box where you can see out
Right.
and look round. So we've put about 5 or 6 of them
Yeah,
in this area.
yeah.
So we're hoping we might attract a pair.
So you're a keen twitcher, are you, David?
We do it round the county. We're not big twitchers that go all over the country.
But in Suffolk, yeah.
In Suffolk, we try and get those things.
So this is that's obviously our woodland, and this
Yeah.
bit here is the museum
right.
land, which is really nice and open. Which is, am I right, David, in saying it's ideal for
Yes.
barn owl territory?
Rough grassland, empty bowls and
Yeah.
nice.
So that's why we've decided to put it there. So I've just sort of trimmed bits and bobs off the tree, so the barn owl has got a lovely clear flight.
Yeah.
We're just going to hang on the low one. It's going to sit on there, and hopefully we'll be having barn owls.
So we're just going to go and do another bird box, say we. And David and Steve are going to fix the second bird box up.
The tawny owl box. Right. And Judith asked the question, why this shape? It sort of replicates a hole in a hollow tree. So you're
Right.
thinking of a tree with a big hollow cavity,
Right.
and they like to get right down the bottom.
Right.
The tawny owl will only have sort of two chicks at the most, like Steve did last year.
Okay.
Again, got an access door to service it and clean the thing out and take the birds out. But we know there's tawny owls all along here, so we're hoping there's enough room to support 2 pairs.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Because Steve's have done very well, and it's been in the box again this year, so we're hoping to find it.
We decided to place the wildlife camera along the riverbank because that little footpath you can see there isn't made by humans, it's made by deer and other animals going along. So we strapped the camera to a tree, and here's what we caught, including a badger. Thanks for watching today. Enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up on YouTube and click the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.